Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Simply Marvelous. I have a unit that I got. This is not sponsored. I got two units from this company, and I'm only going to do maybe one today. And this company name is, excuse me if I butcher your name, I apologize. And it is She's So Omni Hair. And this unit, it's a braided unit. And this unit name is Anita. And I need this braided wig, because y'all know the girl ain't got no hair. That's what she looks like. These some nice threads. Oh, and one comb in the top here. Too tight around my dome. She fits really snug, but this is really cute. And she goes way past my navel. I'm 5'2". These are the little baby hairs, which is perfect. Yes, and little whatnots and thank you information. I'm so ass backlit. Use my language. But yeah, oh my goodness, this is cool. Yeah. So let's go ahead and tint the lace. Let me hold my cat, guys, because y'all look at all this gray hair. Because y'all know we got tracks and alopecia really bad. But this is absolutely beautiful. Spray. Here's my cut the lace off here. I'm not going to cut it on my head. Now, let's tackle the baby hairs. Now, y'all know, y'all been on my channel. I'm not really good with the baby hairs. So, let's comb them out. When I was a teenager, I can do this. So as I ever get older, I can't do baby hairs. Wow. I'm sorry, I gotta turn my fan on. I'm sweating. So excuse my fan that y'all about to hear. I gotta turn it on. If they would have just gave me a little bit more hair right here, baby hair, I would be okay. I don't have no edges right here, so I can't. I'm not going to put any trinkets on it. You guys can put that on there. I'm not going to put any. Then 5'2". And this is how she falls on. She's short. I have no tangling, no shedding, no smells, no anything. I have 2 cons with this unit. One, the band was too small. I had to cut it. It was not going to fit on my head. 2, I did not have enough hair, baby hair or whatever, to cover my edges over here. If you can see this, it would be nice to have some here to suit. But other than that, I have no issues. But this is a gorgeous unit. But other than that, I have no issues. So, what do you guys think? Would you buy Miss Anita? Yeah, she's a cute unit. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Would you buy her? Let's talk about it in the comments. I probably will do the next video, the next unit later today, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Tune in for the next video. Talk to you guys till the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.